Okay, so now what about if we are finding other things with the formula? Let's say they give us one term and we're supposed to find a separate term. Remember, we're using the arithmetic sequence formula of a sub n equals a sub 1, so the first term plus the difference times the term before it. Sometimes they put the common difference at the end. Just know that order doesn't matter when we're multiplying. So if you're looking up your own references, that's helpful. Sometimes they put the d on the other side. All right, so a sequence's 80th term is 293, and its common difference is 3, so we're adding 3 each time, and they want us to find the first term. So we could work backwards from the 80th term, subtracting 3 each time until we got to the first term, which is going to take us a substantial amount of time, and it leaves us open for a lot of mistakes. We could just go ahead and start to work using our formula though, so that's what we're going to do here. First, let's start to identify what they gave us. So they gave us the 80th term is 293. The common difference is 3, and they're asking us for the first term. So that's what we're trying to find out. Let's go ahead and fill out our formula in what we do know. Let's start with the formula itself. So a sub n, a sub 1, plus the difference times n minus 1. Now, we know that the term that they gave us is the 80th term, which is 293. So this is the given term. We don't know the first term, so a sub 1 goes there. We do know that the common difference is 3, and that we are taking n, which is 80, that's the term they gave us, minus 1. And now from here, we're going to start to simplify what we do know. So bring down the 293, bring down the first term a1, and 3 times 80 minus 1, or 3 times 79, is 237. And this is a one-step equation. So we're going to take the inverse of addition, and we're going to subtract it. So 293 minus 237, and you can show it on both sides, doing inverse operations. And so 56 has to equal that first term. So our answer, they asked us to find the first term, a sub 1 is 56. All right, and let's look at practice problem B. See, now this one gives us the first term is -6, and its 21st term is 634, and they want us to find the common difference. Okay, so let's write down what we do know. First term is -6. Let's see, the 21st term is 634, and we're asked to find the common difference. Let's start with our formula. A sub n equals the first term plus the difference times n minus 1. Okay, so what do we know? We do know that the 21st term is 634, or the first term is -6. To find the common difference, we're going to be solving for d. So let's go ahead and substitute 634 in for this term. We know our first term is -6. We don't know d, that's what we're finding. And since we used the 21st term here, so this is 21 minus 1. And now we're going to start to simplify this parentheses. So 634 is -6 plus d times 20. We could put 20d, that's fine. but we need to move the constant away from the variable term first. So add 6. And then this is going to be 640, and that's 20d. D times 20 is 20d. Divide by 20, and 32 is our common difference.